Hello, this is my final project for CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. It's a digital harvester ledger meant to replace a physical ledger currently being used in my dad's harvester business. I'm going to log in with a showcase account. And when you first log in, you get asked this question: are you an owner or are you an operator of the machine? Firstly, I'm going to select the owner interface. Currently have no harvesters and there are no bills associated with the harvester. I'm going to create a harvester. I'll just name it my harvester 123. Add. Every time I open the owner button, I see this harvester. I can assign a team for the harvester. This lets me so I can decide who the operatives are. Only the selected operators can add bills to this harvester. And I can select an agent who is a broker. No bills right now. And the operator interface. Here you can create the shift bill, like what work was done and at what times. Let's say it started at 12 and then ended at 1 p.m. the second shift, 2 to all the way till 5. Now I'll show you something. There are 10 rows in this table. You can create more rows. And if I did not add an end time to a row, I get a warning. And if the end time is earlier than the starting time in one of the rows, I get another error. So there is input validation. Okay, the hours are automatically calculated based on the times. And now 3 things can happen here when you could ask for the owner email. Let's say you type in the mail of an account where you're not assigned as an operative. And as you can see, it does not allow me to submit the bill to their account. It says you're not assigned. And if I type in a mail that doesn't exist in the accounts database, some random email, you can see the owner doesn't have an account, a local record will be created. This way, even if the owner doesn't have an account, the operator can still use the app. I'll fill it with random information. And you can see this is an unsynced bill. So this is only for the harvester operative, and he can share the bill to the owner via WhatsApp by clicking the share receipt button. Now what will happen if I create a bill and try to submit to an owner where I am assigned as an operative? Let's see. Submit. Now I already created an account where I assigned this account as an operative. As you can see, it's a verified owner and I am assigned here. I can select from a drop down whatever harvester I'm assigned to. I named it owner's harvester. I can select the agent from the drop down and I can just write in the farmer's name and farmer's email and then submit. Now this is synced to the owner's dashboard. What does this mean? And yeah, there's the share button. Clicking this will open the device's native share system, so you can send a text receipt via WhatsApp or any other application. Let's log into the owner's account. Click owner, and you can see the owner's harvester here. And in assign team, you can see I included the showcase account as an operative and a random agent. All the bills that were ever created, I created some random bills earlier to save time. Now you can select start date and end date. All the bills within this time frame will be used to create the report. As you can see, within the given time frame, the harvester has worked 45 hours and 30 minutes, and it worked in 2 villages. This is the test village that I just used. You can see the 1 hour bill we created, and this is all the bills I populated earlier. 40 hours. And I can share this receipt. Clicking this opens the device's native share system. Yep, that's it for my application.